we care for him.
Krista is happy to announce that she's heavy with her third child by her husband, Nino.
Si Krista ay, kailan ang panganganak mo?
April 24. I'm due April 24.
24.
So, next month.
Oo. So this time babae na, no?
Yes. So, after 2 boys, finally, we have a girl.
Nakadalawang lalaki ka na, no?
Yes.
Si Nate,
Nate Jacob, he's
Nate
2 and a
Jacob is
half.
2 and a half.
Si Nolan Jaden, he's 1 and a half. And then the third one, si Natalie Lourdes.
Oo. So finally, nakababae ka na.
Yes.
Oo, yun ang gusto ni Nino, di ba? So Krista, I understand na you prayed for
Oh, for the baby, yes.
Yes.
Kasi we went to Lourdes last July. And then, so yun nga yung mga Instagram followers ko, I asked them, oh, do you want me to pray for you? Because, di ba, Lourdes nga is a very miraculous place. So, sabi ko, yung dasal ko lang sa sarili ko tsaka sa pamilya is, sana ma-bless kami ng baby girl.
so baby girl talaga.
Yeah, so yun, after 1 month, nagulat ako na, you know, I was pregnant already. And then, syempre, we weren't expecting na girl kagad.
After the third, susundan pa ulit?
Sana hindi na kasi nakakuha na kami ng girl.
Oh,
pero,
yung girl talaga.
Yeah, pero yung husband ko parang sabi niya, he still wants. So, we'll see.
So, Krista, kamusta na ang buhay niyo dito ni Nino with your 2 kids? Ang tatlo na kayo. Kamusta na ang buhay-buhay niyo dito?
Masaya. It's very stress-free, very peaceful. Yun, may husband kasi nasa negosyo kami. So, very busy.
Pacific Island mo yun?
Island Pacific.
Island
we have
Pacific
13
Supermarket?
branches.
How many?
30 yan.
30 all over
13,
California.
1-3.
13. Showbiz, hindi mo miss ang showbiz. Wala ka ba, hindi mo na miss yung pag-act or kumakanta ka ba?
Oh, I wish. No, hindi. Nami-miss ko pa rin. Pero, you know, when I weigh things out, syempre parang mas masaya talaga kami dito eh.
Ano? Oo, masana dito yung buhay. So, I should let
Sabi
back.
kasi nila talaga parang home is where, hindi where the heart is where the family is. So, dito yung
home is where the family. Lahat nandito na. No? So, ano ang namimiss mo sa Pilipinas? Ano at sino ang namimiss mo sa
I think
Pilipinas?
siguro pagkain.
Pagkain.
Oo, I love Filipino food. Tapos syempre, I miss my friends. Ang pinaka namimiss ko talaga is yung lola ko. Because it's the only one
Si
there.
Gloria, sige. Tagal na rin hindi ka nagbabakasyon. Wala kayong planong magbakasyon doon ni Nino. Noon, di ba parang plano nyo magpakasal doon?
Yes, plano.
After
Kaya
ng
lang
kasal
every year kasi I get...
Nabubuntis.
Yes, so napopostpone.
So, plano nyo pa rin ituloy yung kasal nyo doon?
Siguro eventually, pag malaki na lang siguro yung mga bata para mas
Practically, Krista's family is already based in the US.
buong family ko kasi they're here, my brother, my sister, tapos mother side, nandito din, tsaka father side.
So, madalas kayo magkita ni Matt na dati?
Oh yes, yeah, we live close by.
So, sino mga kapatid mo nandito?
Si Kevin,
Kevin.
tsaka si Trixie.
Si Trixie, so all of you are here?
Yes, all of us are here. See, my
Oh.
brother is managing our restaurant in West Covina, and then my sister is in school.
So, how often do you see each other?
All the time. No, all the time. Kasi he's a very hands-on grandfather. Talagang, he goes, you know, beyond yung makakaya niya talaga para mag-alaga sa mga anak ko. He's very close to them.
Of late, Krista's father, Matt, has been hogging the headlines dahil umano sa pagkakadawit nito sa pork barrel scam. Bagamat hindi pa naman itinuturing si Matt bilang isa sa mga respondent na napapaulat na nakatransaksyon ng sinasabing di umano'y utak ng scam na si Janet Napoles. How is the Ranillo family dealing with it?
Aware ka ba sa mga ano doon? Up to date ka ba sa mga balita sa showbiz?
Minsan, yeah. Pag may time kasi nga we are busy sa Filipino community.
Katulad yun, ang daddy mo is in the news.
No?
Palagi na sa headline, ganyan. Anong klaseng support ang binibigyan mo sa daddy mo?
Well, he just knows that we love him and, you know, we care for him and we know, dali ko kaya kasi sabi
I know,
lawyer,
yeah.
hindi ko pwede magsalita about it kasi
Anong mensahe mo sa mga fans mo doon sa Manila? Sa Manila, namimiss ka na nila.
kamusta po kayo? Namimiss ko rin kayo dyan and I hope, you know, everybody's doing well and God bless everyone.
Okay.